we don't show. Aproko people, love our people. People really know say you love to make sure say your relationship. They can pay this Saturday. Welcome to the only show we done the same relationship since 2014, and we call ourselves Bobos Yang. We are inside the bar today. We like that song because of the Linda Ikeji parts. You know, we are linking it up to Shakara, who we have been suspecting that he has been running things with Linda. But
talk rubbish.
do you want to clear the air?
Please ignore him. You're just saying.
Clear the air. I don't talk at finish. Clear the air.
You are talking about.
You want to clear the air?
You are talking about someone I don't even know.
You don't know her? Shakara, the last time I saw you.
You know what?
When I say I don't know someone,
We know what you want to know.
I only know Linda's junior brother, which is Pex.
You mean sister? Do you know sister?
I mean Pex, Ikeji,
but you know
brother.
the sister.
But now we have Instagram friends.
Shakara, there was a time I saw you and Linda on a date together.
Yeah, her party where you go housewarming.
The housewarming.
You went to really warm the house.
You went to warm it.
And you say you don't know her.
So as grown as you are, you cannot snap picture with someone.
With somebody.
The other day, Cynthia was there. We were snapping pictures. So can we now say that you are doing something with Cynthia Morgan?
Cynthia visited us in the bar.
Yes.
You
went to Linda Keji's
What
house.
is happening in the house?
You went to Linda Keji's
I
house.
even pray safe. Say Linda Keji, as big and as wealthy as she is, knows me one-on-one. I will be happy.
That's what I say. But you know when the man,
just like when you are wishing for Buhari's daughter. You understand?
Are you not saying you're wishing for Linda Ikeji?
Because you have been driving rough.
Why is your head going driving rough now?
You have been
because
driving
you see, you drove roughly when you were there.
She's a nice
a
person.
man that has a big abundance.
She's a wonderful lady.
Is she from my town?
Very hard work.
Where is Linda from? Where is Linda from?
How will I know where she's from?
You don't know where your girlfriend come from? Hey! Wow, you see how men they don't care about you.
All he cares about is the money. He knows that there's money there.
Men that don't ask you where you are from, how many you know there for that family,
they are not interested.
You need to be very careful.
They are not interested.
Please, well, you have seen him. That is
That's to tell you that we don't have anything.
Please help me welcome him.
I'm not sure if
they are greeting you.
I'm not sure if Linda even know my real name.
Now she will know you.
She just know that there's one Shakara somewhere.
Yeah. You know, say
that
sometimes
came for her party.
You know, sometimes all these big.
And you know, not be she even invite me for her party. As you know, brother invite me.
Or the one way they crank. Who am I? You know, only they crank 2 sisters in this life.
Okay, now the story be that. The one way they crank 2 sisters. Shakara, is that the story?
You have seen MC Shakara, the peace ambassador, always regular in the bar. Is here.
You don't say me, I did here to torment you. Now
and then what please them, don't mind Shakara.
Yes, we did here and live. We did at the bar. They drink our things.
Thank you.
As Showman not talking, we're here to save lives.
Yes.
Let's save your life.
And my name is still the one and only Showman. Ladies call me
You are here. Shut up here. You are here to save lives. You can't even save false rumors from.
How can it be false rumor?
Wait, see.
They say there's no smoke without fire.
You understand?
Which no
For
smoke
every
without-
smoke, fire they do.
You don't see where fire burn fuel tank before. Fuel tanker. The way make smoke there first before fire will come. Immediately they catch fire whoop at once. Which no smoke can dirty proverb with that. Go see where fuel tanker tumble. Immediately we hear boom. Without smoke, fire will come. What are you saying?
And that is
my
what,
friend,
that is
introduce
what you are
yourself
about
if you
to
want
do.
to introduce
That's what you're
yourself.
about to do with her.
Nobody will just say,
boom.
Shakara don't take over. Nobody will understand.
Bad guy.
Where did he come from?
I was saying the abeg, but introducing myself. My name is Showman. Ladies, they call me Show Baby. And right now, even the guys, they call me Show Money. That is, I take it like that and I put it there. You see, I have an advice. Is I am the only youngest man here that wants to be a virgin so I can leave a legacy for my children in the future. So that is why I'm still a virgin forever. I will be a virgin forever.
Showman, I don't understand.
Just to leave.
You want to be a virgin and leave a legacy for your children?
Yes.
How you go get children if you be
That's
virgin?
why I'm still wondering how I want to do it.
This
But
guy
I
don't know
just
what's
want
in the
to leave a
worry.
legacy for my
You
children.
don't know what's in the worry.
Be a virgin and leave a legacy for my
You don't know what's in
children.
the worry.
You just want to eat your suya and have it back.
You understand?
because this is what
It's
I
not
came.
cake.
Excuse me, it's free.
Eat your suya.
There's free tomorrow. Can eat it now, and I paid yesterday.
He go
please.
shock you.
Okay, now welcome to our bar. We are ready this week to make sure we face Sempe Ona with a lot of things. And right now, the topic we will get for ground for the night be this one. If you catch your partner, they cheat. If you catch and they cheat, you feel still save that relationship or marriage or whatever it is. I get the men where I feel called the relationship pundits. They inside this bar today and they're going to make sure say and tell you everything. Sakara, If you catch your partner.
Your partner in marriage
Or anything, you can't. But I want to say more on marriage because let me say marriage because marriage is the one we know. Say you fit, you don't only the inside them. You understand? So you don't catch and you catch and they cheat.
Okay. Cheating in marriage. If we don't get children, I will for the like way the popular say, they say, look my face. Say now the children face now look.
Now you look.
You understand?
So you have to, so you one time you say you're going to live in deception. You just dey look your children face only.
No, you know when they say I look children face, forgive you. Forgive means you don't as in forget as in.
But do you really think you can forgive but not forget?
No, you
in
can't.
This situation.
Do you know many people they think say no possible. If somebody do you something very terrible now, if you forgive the person, for a while, you will remember, but things go to occur.
Shakara, I'm
for
talking
marriage.
about. We're talking about.
Yes,
we're talking about.
I want to see where Shakara one land.
Shakara, you and Roman, a high priest,
a high chief.
Sorry,
yes, a high chief.
I know. Say, do you know what it means to catch your wife? Say your wife did cheat.
You don't catch her, Now, 1 year, don't work her. 2 years, all this time, things they happen between two of her, you know. She get waiting, go where she go, maybe waiting she pray for what happen. Some kind good, except maybe things are not going well. Now that memory will still they come.
Will still they come back.
You understand?
This is easier.
Let me tell you.
Okay, hold on a second.
If you guys are enjoying your marriage, like okay, things are going on well, the love come the day, they surprise you some kind of things, you know. Many things, my brother. You will.
And then you guys agree with this in perception.
On this matter, you know, say I believe anybody will fit cheat on you. First of all, go fit cheat on you again, even if you forgive him the second time. Because
you agree with that?
You married. This is not marriage. This is not the boyfriend girlfriend matter. We don't agree.
But somebody
but
somebody where you forgive, you clearly forgive.
Do you know the African woman is so African woman?
If
why
you give,
no? They are so passionate that when they don't know, say you catch them for this thing, and this is what they did that got you angry. They know the trauma where they pass through that period. The whole agony, the whole everything. You understand? So because that's not what you just catch. Then come and say, because of children, I forgive you. No, that waiting go that process. You understand?
Do you also?
She's going to go through 3 months of 3 months of trauma.
Before
you understand? From family, from family, from her family.
Before you
catch her.
Shakara, you don't say before you catch her. She don't run the thing before you catch her.
That's what I'm about to say.
Not be saying that way you do.
You don't realize they say as you see that process of you.
So you don't run and they come.
You don't remember say before now when you catch her, she has been with that guy, but you know be no. So
you don't know.
You think it's going to be very easy for her to break her. And then moreover, it could be a habit, and maybe you as the husband might, because I always say one thing. Sorry, I always say man, no need reason to cheat. Men naturally are cheats, but a woman need a reason.
So she wants
maybe there's something where you do. Maybe you're not cracking well, and that guy is cracking out very well.
Let me tell you, when a woman is traumatized,
she can cheat.
I swear to God, if she don't come out of that serious trauma which she go through that period because what did she do? For she to enter them again, even man, get something so go happen. Let me give you a story that I've never shared to anyone publicly, but I will, you know, just to give example of some kind of things will go happen to you. If you feel come out of farm, don't escape out. For you to go back, it be like say, now, even if they won't kill you, no go do that thing again.
Okay, wait. If we go on this break, come back, where we know that Shakara has a very interesting story. I know that really want to hear this story. So I don't make it be saying start the story, I will call Kotam, or no interject. We are here at the bar discussing this matter. If you catch your partner the cheats, you feel still save that marriage. No, go anywhere. This one now they call Agogo for streets. When they come back. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.